Opening music fades in. Hey everyone! If you've ever felt your heart race while checking your crypto portfolio during a market crash, or found yourself endlessly refreshing price charts at 3 a.m., you're definitely not alone. Crypto can be a roller coaster, and the stress? Well, it's real, and it's brutal. But here's the good news. You don't have to let that stress control you. Today, I'm going to share proven mind hacks that can help you master your crypto stress so you can invest calmly, make smarter decisions, and finally enjoy the ride, regardless of how wild the market gets. Ready to transform your crypto mindset? Let's dive in. First up, why is crypto stress so common? Understanding the why is half the battle. Crypto markets never sleep. They move 24/7. That means prices can swing dramatically at any moment, whether you're awake or asleep. This non-stop action can cause what psychologists call decision fatigue. When you're constantly bombarded with information and forced to make buying or selling choices, your brain gets tired and stress levels spike. Plus, crypto is inherently uncertain. Unlike traditional stocks, many cryptocurrencies don't have concrete cash flows or earnings reports to ground you. Instead, you're often betting on hype, adoption potential, or tech breakthroughs. That uncertainty fuels anxiety. Also, social media doesn't help. With every influencer shouting the next moonshot or warning of the next crash, it's easy to get caught in emotional extremes. So, how do you keep your cool? Here are the top mind hacks that experts and successful investors use to stay calm amidst chaos. On 1. Reframe your perspective. From speculation to a long-term game. The first hack is a mindset shift. Stop treating crypto like a day trading casino and start treating it like a long-term investment in a technology with potential. When you focus on short-term price bumps, emotions take over. Gains make you euphoric, losses leave you panicked. But if you zoom out and see your crypto assets as part of a long-term tech experiment, those daily swings become less intimidating. Ask yourself, do I believe in this technology or project over the next 5 to 10 years? If yes, then short-term noise is just that, noise. A simple mental trick is to imagine you bought your crypto token 5 years ago and couldn't touch it until today. If you'd be happy with that outcome, then why stress over today's price? This perspective helps reduce impulsive decisions driven by fear or FOMO and encourages patience, arguably the most valuable trait for any investor. 2. Use pre-commitment strategies. Set rules for yourself. Force yourself to act before emotions kick in. Pre-commitment means deciding your investment actions ahead of time, before prices swing wildly or opinions flood your feed. For example, set clear rules like, if my portfolio drops 20%, I will not panic sell. Or, I will only invest X amount this month, no matter what. Better yet, automate where you can. Use dollar cost averaging to invest a fixed amount regularly instead of trying to time the market. This removes guesswork and keeps your emotions in check. Creating a checklist for decision-making helps too. Before buying or selling, run through it. Have I done the research? Am I acting on a plan or panic? What's my exit strategy? By pre-committing, you reduce impulsive emotional reactions, the biggest driver of stress and poor choices. 3. Practice mindfulness and deep breathing. Sounds simple, but mindfulness is a powerful tool. When anxiety hits as you watch your portfolio tank or soar, take a moment to pause and breathe deeply. Focus on your breath for even 60 seconds. Studies show mindfulness reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, and helps calm racing thoughts. By grounding yourself, you give your rational brain a chance to make better decisions instead of reacting emotionally. You can also try brief meditation apps designed for investors or fluctuating markets. Just a few minutes daily can build resilience to stress over time. Osnis, nin seeing. 4. Limit information overload. Curate your crypto news intake. Not all information is helpful, and too much data is overwhelming. Designate specific times in the day to check crypto news, maybe 30 minutes in the morning and 30 minutes after market close. and stick to it. Unfollow or mute accounts that feed panic or hype. Instead, follow trustworthy sources that offer balanced perspectives. Consider subscribing to weekly newsletters or podcasts instead of refreshing Twitter every 5 minutes. Reducing info overload cuts anxiety and stops analysis paralysis, where you're so bombarded you can't make any decisions. 5. Build a support network and talk it out. Stress is easier to manage when you're not isolated. Join communities of like-minded investors who focus on education and long-term growth, not just hype. Talking through your worries can clarify your thinking and provide emotional support. Sometimes just knowing others share your fears normalizes them. If stress becomes overwhelming, consider professional help. Financial therapists or coaches can equip you with strategies tailored to your mindset. OX. Recognize emotional triggers and journal your thoughts. Keep a crypto journal where you note down how you feel when you check the market. By tracking your emotional patterns, you can identify triggers, like a certain kind of news or a particular price drop, that ignite stress. Once identified, you can develop strategies to manage or avoid those triggers. By externalizing your emotions on paper, you reduce their intensity and get a clearer picture of your investment behavior. 7. Focus on what you can control. You can't control market volatility, but you can control your own actions. Focus your energy on things like doing thorough research before investing, diversifying your portfolio to reduce risk, keeping your private keys safe, maintaining a disciplined investment plan. By concentrating on your controllable actions, you stop wasting mental energy on unpredictable market fluctuations. This mindset shift lowers stress and empowers smarter investing. 8. Visualize positive outcomes and use affirmations. Visualization isn't just for athletes. Before you check your portfolio, spend 30 seconds imagining yourself handling market swings calmly. Couple it with affirmations like, I make decisions with clear thinking, or I am patient and confident in my investment plan. Studies confirm positive visualization and affirmations can reduce anxiety and improve performance in high-pressure situations, like crypto investing. 9. Practice the stop, breathe, reflect technique. When tempted to act on panic or greed, stop. Pause what you're about to do. Breathe. Take a few deep breaths to calm your nervous system. Reflect. Ask yourself, is this decision based on facts or emotions? What's my long-term goal here? This simple pause can prevent costly mistakes driven by stress and maintain your emotional balance. 10. Accept that volatility is part of the game. Lastly, accept that volatility is baked into crypto. Instead of fighting it, learn to embrace it as part of the ecosystem you're investing in. This acceptance reduces resistance, a major source of stress. By making peace with uncertainty, you'll find yourself calmer, more adaptable, and ultimately more successful as a crypto investor. Let's recap. Shift to a long-term mindset. Set pre-committed rules and automate investments. Practice mindfulness and deep breathing. Limit information overload. Build a supportive community. Journal your emotions and identify triggers. Focus on what you can control. Use visualization and affirmations. Employ the stop, breathe, reflect method before making moves. Accept volatility as part of the journey. Remember, mastering crypto stress isn't about eliminating emotions. It's about managing them so you can make rational decisions and grow confidently. If you want, try incorporating one or two of these hacks at a time into your routine and watch your stress levels drop. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss future tips on tech and finance. Also, share your favorite mind hacks for Crypto Calm in the comments. I'd love to hear what works for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep calm and invest smart. Closing music fades out.